See my plantain now. The best way to do plantain chip at home without machine. See my sock. You have to make sure you wash it very well. I hope you are getting it. You wash it with salt very well. See? You cool down and do it. Relax and do it for your own good. I hope you are getting me. First thing is washing. You wash with clean water, okay? When you finish washing, you go into peeling. You understand? Go into peeling one by one, okay? Now you can see I finished the peeling of the plantain. The next thing we are going to do is cutting or slicing. You see, let's go. Now you can see my cutter. This is the cutter I'm using. You see the cutter? It's very sharp. It can cut somebody's hand. This is my hand glue. Why you are using the cutter and hand glue for your own good? Because this cutter is very sharp. Very, very sharp. And it can last for long. So you have to use it and be careful while using it, okay? Let's go. You see my oil is hot. But I have to lower the light while slicing plantain direct inside the oil. Make sure your light is very low. When you finish slicing, you now increase your light. I hope you are getting me. This is my oil. I lowered my light. I hope you are seeing it. The oil has to be very low, one after the other. I hope you are seeing it. Make sure your light is very low. It's not easy, but that's why your light has to be low. Because this is a very big gas and a big pot or abada you call it. That's how you be cutting it. All of them is up now because fire have gotten them. See, all of them are up. Thank you. I hope you are getting me. See. It's not easy for me to do this recording, but I'm doing it just to show you guys. If you notice that, you see that some has begun to change color. Some is beginning to change color. Remember, this is ripe plantain we are frying. Okay? Some is beginning to change color gradually, gradually. See, looking at this like this, Now, this is the best time to put your sauce if you want to put sauce. You understand? Best time to put your sauce. And see, I have finished slicing it. Now, this is the best time for you to increase the light. I'm just showing you how it will be when you finish slicing it, because I lowered my light. I have increased my light. This is the best time to turn it. I hope you're seeing it. I have increased my light now. Now, you turn it small. You don't turn it much. And you don't leave it. Because you have increased your light, what will happen now is that some of the plantain will be rising up. Anyone that is hit fire very well, the thing will come up. But because I've not hit fire, that's why it's like this. Let's go. Ready. I hope you are seeing it. Platintan chip is ready. Now, you just remove it from fire. The next thing is to allow it to cool, so that when it's cool, the normal color will come out. Thank you for watching. God bless you.